Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix 1xBet authorization error. This is very simple. All you have to do here on 1xBet is directly to head on your menu. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional 1xBet account, and to do so you have to click on register. Next, on full. Here on full you enter all your information and then you scroll down until you see promo code. On promo code you just have to enter the promo code UTV. By using this promo code you get 300% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50 you get $150. In the case you want to log out, all you have to do first of all is that in the case you want to log out from your 1xBet account, you're just going to click on the menu icon, and next you're going to click on the setting icon at the top right. Next you're just going to find out the security settings, where you are going to click on security system. Here you're just going to find out two-factor authentication, so you're just going to click on two-factor authentication. Here you're going to set up two-factor authentication by one of these two methods, like install Google Authenticator or show QR code. So you are going to choose someone here and confirm the creation of your two-factor authentication method. So you're just going to go back, and now you're just going to click on security question. Here you're going to select a security question, like choose one of the security question by selecting one of these, like your favorite team, your father's first name, your mother's first name. Choose any of these and answer to that question. This will ensure that you have a way of connection even if there is an authentication error when you have to authorize your account or when you want to log in directly to your 1xBet account. So you have to choose one of these questions, and this will help you connect more safely. Then if this is not still working, then next you can log out directly from your account. And when you want to connect to your account, if this isn't working, you first have to check your internet connection, because authentication error or authorization error are generally brought up by poor connection and non-updated 1xBet app. So make sure your 1xBet is updated, and next verify your connection to fix this authorization error from 1xBet. And this is as simple as that.